Learn Hindi days of the week, Monday to Sunday in
Hindi.
with
सोमवार.
2.
रविवार.
Welcome to your week. Hey, you are about to conquer the whole week in Hindi, and yes, even the scary part called Monday. Relax, laugh a little, and repeat after me. Imagine your calendar suddenly decides to become bilingual. On the first page it whispers, Monday is.
सोमवार.
Then it stretches, drinks chai, and says Tuesday is.
मंगलवार.
By the middle of the week it feels important and announces Wednesday is.
बुधवार.
Then it puts on glasses and becomes wise. Thursday is.
गुरुवार.
Suddenly everyone smiles because Friday is.
शुक्रवार.
Then the alarm clock gives up because Saturday is.
शनिवार.
Finally, the sun lounges on a pillow and says Sunday is.
रविवार.
You already know the whole week now. Fancy, right? The Weekday Comedy Club. Let's make these words memorable with a tiny comedy show. If a word makes you smile, your brain usually keeps it. Monday walks in wearing office shoes and says, I am.
सोमवार.
Opening gate of the week. Nobody invited me, but here I am. Tuesday arrives with too many tasks and says, call me.
मंगलवार.
I look productive even when I am just carrying snacks. Wednesday sits exactly in the middle and whispers, I am.
बुधवार.
I am the sandwich filling of your schedule. Thursday strokes a fake beard and says, I am.
गुरुवार.
Very wise, very close to the weekend. Please admire me. Friday kicks open the door yelling, I am.
शुक्रवार.
And suddenly everyone remembers how to smile. Saturday shows up in pajamas, I am.
शनिवार.
My main skill is sleeping until the tea gets cold. Sunday enters glowing like the sun and says, I am.
रविवार.
Please cancel stress and pass the snacks. Mini story of a chaotic calendar. Now hear the words inside one silly story. Just listen and notice how naturally the days repeat. Maya buys a new planner and promises to become organized. On Monday, or
सोमवार.
she writes a perfect to-do list. On Tuesday,
मंगलवार.
she loses the list under a biscuit. On Wednesday,
बुधवार.
she finds it and celebrates as if she discovered treasure. On Thursday,
गुरुवार.
she tells everyone she is now a productivity guru, which is a bold claim for someone who misplaced her own pen. On Friday,
शुक्रवार.
she finishes work and does a tiny victory dance in the kitchen. On Saturday,
शनिवार.
she goes to the market and buys too many snacks for the week. On Sunday,
रविवार.
she rests, drinks tea, and says, this time I will definitely stay organized. The planner says nothing, because even the planner has trust issues. Useful patterns you can say. Great, now let's turn the words into real speech. Repeat the Hindi day after the English one. Monday,
सोमवार.
Tuesday,
मंगलवार.
Wednesday,
बुधवार.
Thursday,
गुरुवार.
Friday,
शुक्रवार.
Saturday,
शनिवार.
Sunday.
रविवार.
The meeting is on Monday. The meeting is on.
सोमवार.
We have class on Tuesday. We have class on.
मंगलवार.
Our appointment is on Wednesday. Our appointment is on.
बुधवार.
The office opens on Thursday. The office opens on.
गुरुवार.
The party is on Friday. The party is on.
शुक्रवार.
We will meet on Saturday. We will meet on.
शनिवार.
We rest on Sunday. We rest on.
रविवार.
Quick dialogue practice. You do not need a real conversation partner right now. I'll be both people. Very efficient. Slightly dramatic. A. What day is the meeting? B. It is on.
सोमवार.
A. What day is class? B. It is on.
मंगलवार.
A. When is our appointment? B. It is on.
बुधवार.
A. Is the event on Thursday? B. Yes, it is on.
गुरुवार.
A. What day is the party? B. It is on.
शुक्रवार.
A. What day is the picnic? B. It is on.
शनिवार.
A. What day is it? B. It is.
रविवार.
Memory tricks that actually stick. Here come the little hooks for your memory. Use the weird ones. Weird is powerful. For Monday, picture a giant alarm clock groaning. Why is it already?
सोमवार.
Again? For Tuesday, imagine a mango driving a car. Mango car becomes
मंगलवार.
ridiculous, but memorable. For Wednesday, think of the middle seat in a row of 7. The middle is
बुधवार.
For Thursday, imagine a wise guru pointing at the calendar and saying.
गुरुवार.
For Friday, picture a coffee cup cheering because it survived until.
शुक्रवार.
For Saturday, imagine your alarm clock refusing to work on.
शनिवार.
For Sunday, think of the sun itself wearing sunglasses and shouting.
रविवार.
Challenge round. Now it is your turn. Answer before I do. No pressure. Okay, tiny pressure. What is Monday in Hindi?
सोमवार.
What is Tuesday in Hindi?
मंगलवार.
What is Wednesday in Hindi?
बुधवार.
What is Thursday in Hindi?
गुरुवार.
What is Friday in Hindi?
शुक्रवार.
What is Saturday in Hindi?
शनिवार.
What is Sunday in Hindi?
रविवार.
Which day comes after?
सोमवार. मंगलवार.
Which day comes after?
मंगलवार. बुधवार.
Which day comes after?
बुधवार. गुरुवार.
Which day comes after?
गुरुवार. शुक्रवार.
Which day comes after?
शुक्रवार. शनिवार.
Which day comes after?
शनिवार. रविवार.
Friendly conclusion. You did it. You just walked through the whole week in Hindi without falling into a calendar trap. Let's say them one last time together.
सोमवार. मंगलवार. बुधवार. गुरुवार. शुक्रवार. शनिवार. रविवार.
Thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing a little every day, say the words out loud when you check a calendar, and soon these Hindi day names will feel completely natural. You are doing great, so come back, repeat, and keep building your Hindi one cheerful word at a time.